Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the 4-pack table torch set, a perfect blend of style and functionality for your outdoor spaces. These elegant table torches feature a molded glass design with a textured surface, adding a touch of sophistication to any setting. Whether grouped together as a striking centerpiece or used individually as colorful accents, these torches are sure to enhance your yard or patio. Designed to create your personal paradise, they are easy to use and come in a variety of styles to suit any outdoor area, from gardens to porches. Each square blue glass bottle holds approximately 16.5 ounces of fuel, providing a generous burning time of around 9 hours, ensuring long-lasting enjoyment. The set includes 4 blue tabletop torches and 4 durable fiberglass wicks, offering a delightful pop of color to brighten up your space. Transform your outdoor experience with these stylish and innovative torches, and enjoy the ambiance they bring to your gatherings. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.